Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel with this baby Alive doll called Bouncin Babbles. Why do you think she is called Bouncin Babbles? Well, it's because she bounces and babbles. Babbles means that she does some baby talk, but not real words yet. I think this box is really cool because it looks like this baby is standing up in her crib. See, isn't that cute? And let's see if she is excited to see you guys today. Hey girly, are you excited to see everybody? I think that's a yes. Aw, isn't that so cute? She has a purple little bow right here. Blue eyes, a big smile, and look at these PJs. I think she just woke up from a nap. So how this doll works is you press her left hand and that's what makes her talk and bounce. Let's try it out. Go and hold both hands here. Oh, it was so cute. Ooh, jumpy, jumpy. Come on, can you do a little dance? Aw, so cute. Hey, do you want to play with something? How about some bubbles? Ooh, she's excited. Alright, here we go. They hit you right in the face. Let's see if you can pop some. Whoa, she has one on her hand. Oh, do you like the bubbles? So cute. I rate this baby Alive doll a 4 out of 5. I think that she is really cute, and I like that she does bounce and babble. But I think there are a few drawbacks about this toy. Her clothes are not removable, so that's a good thing or a bad thing. Also, she cannot sit on her own because she can only bounce or lay down. Also, because this baby Alive doll cannot change her outfit, she is not one of those drink and wet baby dolls. So she does not have a diaper either. Well, AllToyCollector fans, please remember to like this video. And also, I was wondering, do you like playing with bubbles like this cute little baby Alive doll? Please write yes or no in the comment section. Goodbye and have a great day.